Display video content or mirror what you see on your Samsung Galaxy MHL compatible smartphone, including the Galaxy S5, to your far larger HDTV, with this official Samsung MHL HDTV adapter supporting 1080p and 7.1 surround sound. A group of people huddling around a smartphone display isn't the most convenient way to share content with family, friends, or work colleagues. Instead, use the official Samsung MHL 2.0 HDTV HDMI adapter to view the same information on a far bigger display. Admire photos, watch videos, listen to music, browse web pages and other content all on your HDTV screen, so everyone can comfortably enjoy the experience. Enjoy video streaming content from BBC iPlayer, Netflix, YouTube, and other content sources all on your impressively large HDTV. Play your smartphone games like never before by viewing them on a huge display. Better yet, you can show off your gaming prowess by showing off your skills with others in style using your HDTV. Hook up any Bluetooth keyboard and turn your smartphone into a word processing spreadsheet master. Connect your smartphone to any HDMI compatible computer monitor and take advantage of the much larger display to type out your emails and documents. Turn your smartphone into a fully featured entertainment device. Enjoy full HD 1080p resolution, providing superbly crisp and vivid details without any loss of quality from the source. A 60Hz refresh rate, perfect for those fast gaming movements, and 7.1 surround sound when connected to a compatible audio receiver to totally immerse yourself in an immense audio experience. Simple and intuitive, the Samsung MHL HDTV adapter is easy to set up. Simply connect the adapter to your smartphone via the micro USB port and use a regular HDMI cable to connect the adapter to your HDTV. It really is that simple. Worried about running out of battery on your smartphone while watching a video or playing a game using the MHL HDMI adapter? Well, thankfully there is no need, as this official Samsung accessory can charge your phone at the same time by connecting it to a micro USB power source. This is an official Samsung product, and so it is made to the highest product quality and safety standards. To find out more about this product, visit the Mobile Fun website today.